Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne. Today's video is a what I eat in a day holiday edition. You guys know the holidays are here. I tend to eat everything in sight, but doing videos like this or even just being very aware of everything I eat makes me like stay on track. And if you're following me on Instagram, anytime I share like my dinners, one of my most requested videos and questions that I get all the time is to show you guys recipes. So I'm gonna show you guys a few recipes today, show you guys what I eat exactly through the day, take you to the gym with me, all that fun stuff. This video actually is sponsored by Ocean Spray. This is the pink Lite cranberry juice. It's only 5 calories. It's made with juice from pink, white, and red cranberries. If you guys didn't know, pink cranberries are a real thing. Like, they really exist. They're a legit real thing. So I was so excited that they wanted to collaborate with me. So thank you so much. You guys will see that I drink this throughout the day for breakfast, lunch. Like, I will just drink it anytime I'm wanting something like light and refreshing. I'll pick it up and I'll drink it. I'll take it with me in like a water bottle throughout the day if I'm going anywhere. But I have been loving it, obsessed with it. I will have a link down below for you guys to check out if you guys want to check it out. I'm sure your local grocery store carries it, so check it out. It's delicious. I'm gonna show you guys everything I eat, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la 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 la. Oh,
we're gonna hold the leg up. Remember, we have to draw out circles. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold the leg up, draw your circle.
Alright you guys, so I got home from the gym today at around 11:30 a.m. and I was going to film my breakfast and show you guys exactly how I make it, all that stuff, but I was starving. You guys know with intermittent fasting, like when you break your fast, you just want to break it. So I decided to just make it really fast because you guys know if I'm filming, like it takes a lot longer to film it and do all that. So I was like, I don't have the patience for that. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I made this morning. Then I'm gonna jump into my crock pot recipe, which is one of my favorites. I go into everything that I'm gonna eat throughout the rest of the day because it's around 2 p.m. right now. But okay, for breakfast, I'm making pumpkin protein pancakes. Whoa, 3 P's, I didn't realize that, but I've made these in the past and they're delicious. I obviously made them earlier today also. So I'm just taking my little blender cup. This is the Ninja one. I'm taking some old-fashioned rolled oats and I'm gonna pour them in here. Also, I will have measurements for everything down below just because I always eyeball it all and that's kind of how I go about it. So I'm gonna do the oats and then I'm gonna take a little bit of some ground cinnamon. I love, like, honestly, yeah, a pretty good little decent amount in there. And then the other super important part, some pumpkin puree. I'm doing probably like 3 big tablespoons, 2 eggs, little dash of some pumpkin pie spice, little dash of some ground cloves. And lastly, if you want to sweeten it up a little bit, a tiny dash of like agave or honey. I don't always do this. It's just kind of depending on how I'm feeling. If I'm feeling like something a little sweeter. But just to show you guys like a really delicious way to do it, I wanted to show you this way. I'm gonna close it up. Spray this with a little coconut oil. And I've got my mixture. It is nice and thick. And also add a little bit of almonds. And if you're feeling a little extra feisty, add some dark chocolate. Okay, so my protein pancake is all ready. And I did keep in mind already drink an entire like big water bottle. I only have a little bit of that left, so I drink a lot of water already after my workout. But since I do still want something super light and refreshing, I'm drinking the Ocean Spray Pink Light Cranberry. It's only 5 calories. I had this earlier already, and I have it anytime I'm just feeling like something a little different. Like, I feel like it tastes delicious, and it's very light. Like I said, it's super refreshing, and it's not gonna be bad for you, which I absolutely love, and it tastes so good. If you guys have not tried this, check it out. I will have a link for it down below, like I mentioned. So good. And I feel like it's so perfect during this time of year. I always want something like holiday-ish. Like right now, like this smells like pumpkin. This tastes like cranberries. I did have it earlier. Like I said, I'm having some right now because I am still a little thirsty and I want something light. So I always pull this out of my fridge whenever I want that. Let me know what you guys think, or if you guys have already tried it, let me know in the comments below. I'm sure a lot of you guys have tried like their original cranberry juice because it's one of like the biggest juices. Like everybody has tried that, I'm sure, but this one is newer, and like I said, it is made with like a pink cranberry juice. I'm actually gonna enjoy this pancake even though I already had it earlier. Enjoy my Ocean Spray pink cranberry light juice, and I will be showing you guys exactly how I make that crock-pot recipe in just a few minutes.
Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, moving on to the white chicken chili that I'm gonna throw in the crock pot. I actually just went ahead and cubed up some chicken. While I cut that up, that took me like 10 minutes. I finished up my Ocean Spray pink light cranberry, so I am gonna pour a little bit more because your girl needs a little bit more, why not? And the really good thing about the white chicken chili is that it takes like 20 minutes start to finish. Like I said, that took me like 10 minutes to cut that up, and it's Weston's favorite recipe that I make. I think if he had to pick any one thing, I think I've asked him before, this is like his #1 favorite meal that I make him. So threw the chicken in the crock pot. Actually, wait, I'm gonna add some water first before I add that. I'm gonna add a cup of water. So I added some water. You can do a chicken stock, but I like doing just the water and then adding some like chicken bouillon, which is what I'm gonna do. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn it on as well. Now I'm gonna add some beans. I like to do white beans and also some canellini beans. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you say it, but they're both white beans. And then I'm gonna add some corn. Usually I just do like a big can of the diced green chilies, and then also a little bit of some diced jalapenos. These are not spicy, so even like kids and stuff can eat it. And then also I bought some like pre-cut bell peppers. It's just a little cup of a ton of bell peppers because it's gonna save me time. I don't have to chop it up myself. And then for garnishes, I am gonna add cilantro. Cilantro is like key to making this delicious. Also some avocado if you want, that's not necessary. And then at the very end, when there's only around 30 minutes left for the whole thing to be done, I add some of this low-fat plain yogurt. So any low-fat plain yogurt, it says it's 75% less fat than sour cream. In the past, I have used sour cream and I always use a lot less than what the recipe calls for, but if you're using something like a yogurt or something, you could use a lot more, and I find that it tastes just as delicious. So yeah, let's get started. So once you have all the ingredients in there, you're just gonna wanna add all your spices. I honestly just grab a handful of them. So I like garlic powder, some chili powder, a little bit of oregano. I always love adding oregano, and then just some seasoning salt. All right, so everything is ready to go. You can close it up, leave it for about 4 hours, and then it's going to be delicious. All right guys, it's been 3.5 hours later. This is what we got going on here. It smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the yogurt. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Weston's gonna walk in and be like, it smells heavenly. You guys, he doesn't even know that I use yogurt and not sour cream. He'll never know.
Can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new.
All right,
cause I missed you so.
Complete deliciousness. Weston's actually gonna be the first one to try it. Woo! Even though he's had it a bunch of times before.
It's my favorite thing she
That's
makes.
what I told him. It's like his absolute favorite.
It's my absolute. She makes it hands down.
Try it out. Is it missing anything?
You might need to call the ambulance. Because this is so good, I'm probably gonna drop dead.
Oh my gosh. He's gonna eat that. I need to bend over because I don't want to hold the camera. That's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna grab a bowl. Don't, this is my bowl. I was just having you try it.
Wait, but sorry, you snooze, you lose.
Okay, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already.
How beautiful is she?
Turn on your post notifications. Check out all the links down below, especially for the link to the Ocean Spray pink cranberry light because it is absolutely delicious.
That's delicious as well, for sure.
Yeah, Weston drinks it too. So check it all out. Everything will be linked down below. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey boy, you going for seconds or what, huh?
You know it. And soon I'll be going for thirds, fourths, fifths.
I don't know.
Forget this. Just gonna make
No. Weston. Oh my gosh, you actually really drink some. That is so gross. You're so gross. You're so...
So everyone has a little taste of Weston when they come over.